Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be showing you how to hide site pages on mobile in Wix website. So let us get started. First, go to your Wix website and access the left side menu. Under the Site and Apps section, tap on Website to begin editing your website. Click on Edit Site to make the necessary changes. To switch to the mobile view, simply click on the mobile icon located in the top toolbar. This will allow you to see how your website appears on mobile devices. Sometimes, there are certain pages that you don't want to include on the mobile version of your website. To hide a page on mobile, simply click on it and right-click your mouse. Then tap on Hide from the options that appear. Once you have hidden a page, you will be able to see it on the left menu with an eye icon, indicating that it's hidden on mobile. If you want to hide more pages, just repeat the process for each page you want to exclude. This feature gives you the flexibility to create a tailored and optimized experience for mobile users by only showing the pages that are relevant and necessary for them. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.